Hey, it's Matt from Gravity. Today we're going to quickly set up Pipedrive and Gravity Forms so you can see the fast way of getting this stuff connected. We're in our Pipedrive account already. Gravity Forms doesn't have an official Pipedrive add-on offered, so we'll use Zapier to connect this up. Zapier will be the glue to connect up the data from our Gravity Form to our Pipedrive account. As I mentioned, I have Zapier installed and activated. There's not a lot of settings for Zapier. If we go to the Zapier settings page, it's just telling you how to grab your public and private keys, which you create here in the REST API, and you copy and paste these keys into your Zapier account. When you create a Gravity Forms step in Zapier, which is step 1, when you set this up, you're going to authorize Zapier to communicate to your WordPress website with the public and private API keys that you create in the REST API, and that'll be right here on this list. The trigger event is form submission. It means that when a new form is submitted, that's the trigger event to fire off data into our Pipedrive account. We'll hit continue. We select which form we want to use. In this case, on my Gravity Form site, I have a very, very simple sales form, which has name, email, budget range, and comments. You could obviously have many more fields here, gathering the data that you need for your particular sales environment. We select sales form in Zapier. We continue. We're not going to test it because it's already been tested. And then the step number 2 is send this data to Pipedrive. If you're in your Pipedrive account, you can authorize it and connect it right here in Zapier. It's as simple as just logging into your Pipedrive account and granting it access. Clicking continue. And this is probably the most important screen other than selecting the right Gravity Form to begin with. This is where you'll start to map all of that data from your Gravity Form and sending it into the particular fields inside of Pipedrive. So for example, deal value, we might want to put in our budget so that it is in the deal value here. Budget range, there it is. So deal value, budget range, and you put that in there, and that'll send that data into Pipedrive. Let's hit continue. We will publish. We don't need to retest this step. It's just going to go ahead and publish the Zap and make it available with that new change, which is the budget range. If I go to my Gravity Form and we want to test this out, actually I already have this on a page, so let's go to all pages, sales leads. Let's view this. We'll say Bob Moneybags. Matt at Gravity Forms, Matt at Gravity Forms, and then we'll go 20,000 plus. This is my sales form. Submit. That'll go ahead and process, send that off to, through Zapier and then into our Pipedrive account. We should see this run fairly soon. I think that there it is right there. So it just processed it there, and if we go into our Pipedrive account, it's already there. Bob Moneybags with the $20,000 value that we just piped into, well, no pun intended, piped into Pipedrive with Zapier. That is a quick, fast way to show you how to connect up Gravity Forms to Pipedrive thanks to the Zapier add-on. If you're looking for more Gravity Forms stuff, head on over to gravityforms.com. Check out all of the add-ons that we have. Check out the rest of our YouTube channel if you want more. Thumbs up if you like the video. Subscribe to the channel if you want more. We'll see you in the next one.